Hello guys, and welcome back to the Reaction Zone. In today's lesson, we're going to look at Introduction to Intermolecular Forces. Intermolecular forces are the forces of attraction that exist between molecules. These forces are not as strong as chemical bonds such as ionic bonds or covalent bonds, but they play an important role in determining the physical properties of substances such as boiling point, melting point, solubility, viscosity, and physical state of substances. Intramolecular forces hold the atoms within a molecule together. Intramolecular forces. However, intermolecular forces act between molecules and influence how they interact with one another. There are actually three types of intermolecular forces based on the nature and the strength of attraction. The first is van der Waals forces, which is subdivided into two: dipole-dipole interactions, which is also called dipole-dipole attractions, or London dispersion forces. And then the second one is hydrogen bonding, and the third is metallic bonding. In subsequent videos, we're going to be looking at each of this type of intermolecular forces in more detail. Now, what is the importance of intermolecular forces? Why are they important? They are important because they determine the physical state of a substance. In other words, they determine whether a substance is going to be a solid, or a liquid, or a gas at a given temperature. They also affect the boiling and melting point of substances. They influence the solubility of substances in different solvents. They also play a role in biological processes like protein folding and DNA structure, especially hydrogen bonding. Finally, intermolecular forces are essential in understanding surface tension and capillary action. Surface tension and capillary action are actually due to cohesive hydrogen bonding. Like I said earlier, that in subsequent videos, we are going to take each of this type of intermolecular force and explain it in more detail with examples of each of them in different molecules. Until then, see you in the next video.